Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I'm going to be speaking about flathead syndrome. So a lot of you moms have messaged me asking that what do we do about our baby's flathead? Should we use those kind of special flathead pillows? uh, do I need to see a doctor? So, moms, please don't worry about it. Flathead is very common and normal in babies. So, just like adults, babies also have a preferred side to sleep on. So, like us, if like me, I like to sleep on the left side. So similarly, babies, mostly babies, have a preference of the side on which they want to sleep. So mostly they turn their head that side and sleep, which causes the baby's head to flatten from one side. Or sometimes, even when the baby is sleeping on their back, this area might get flattened because of the amount of time they're spending in that position. Because when a baby is around 3 to 4 months, till that time, the baby is mostly, say even till 5 months, mostly lying down. Hence, whichever side the baby prefers, whether it be left, right, or even straight, that area starts to get flattened. So, all these pillows that are in the market, which have like a hole in it in the center, they're made of memory foam, or even rye pillow. So, I myself was using rye pillow on recommendation of a lot of moms, that that it prevents flathead. But what I've understood is now, after a lot of research and even talking to doctors, pediatricians, that flathead is something that you cannot avoid. Whether you use a rye pillow, a memory foam pillow, or hollow pillow, all of them are just pure waste of money. So please don't buy them. Flathead is something that will automatically get corrected itself when the baby starts sitting more. So as the baby starts moving to 5 or 6 months of age, when the baby is spending more time sitting or even on his or her tummy, uh, the area automatically starts, it comes back. So the flattened part, it again start rounding up, because the baby will stop spending so much time lying down in that preferred position. So please don't worry about it so much, and just let the baby lie down or sleep in whichever position, whichever side the baby is comfortable in. It's very common, normal. You don't need to spend copious amount of money just to ensure that your baby's head remains rounded. It will automatically get rounded. It'll start opening up, because the baby's skull is not yet formed. It's only after the around 1.5 years of age that the baby's skull bones actually start joining. So right now they're still open, and there's nothing to worry about, and it'll automatically come up when the baby stops spending that much time on that preferred side. That is when the baby grows up. So I hope this was helpful, and please keep writing and sending me lots of messages. um, I usually tend to take cues from whatever you guys send me as requests for my next video post. So I will also do a message. I mean, I'll also do a story where you can suggest me what topics do you want me to speak on next. So that's about it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.